What does AI surveillance mean for future privacy? Imagine living in a world where every move you make is watched, analyzed, and stored. It might sound like a scene from a science fiction movie, but this is becoming more real with artificial intelligence surveillance. AI surveillance uses smart systems to monitor human activity through cameras, sensors, and digital platforms. These systems gather large amounts of data like videos, sounds, texts, and behavioral patterns. They then use algorithms to find patterns, recognize faces, or even predict what someone might do next. Unlike older methods, AI can process this information quickly and on a massive scale. This makes it more effective but also raises questions about how much privacy we will have in the future. In many places, AI surveillance is used to keep public spaces safe. For example, cameras can detect suspicious behavior or identify known criminals. In workplaces, AI can monitor employee activity, sometimes even tracking keystrokes or facial expressions to gauge productivity. Cities use AI-powered cameras to scan crowds for unusual behavior or specific individuals. Online, AI models like ChatGPT or tools like DALL-E and Midjourney analyze user inputs to generate images or text. But this also means personal data might be stored or shared without clear consent. The main concern is balancing safety with privacy. While AI surveillance can help prevent crimes or improve efficiency, it can also intrude into personal lives. People often don't know what data is collected or how it's used. Data collection at this scale is new and complex, making it hard for individuals to understand or challenge. Laws like the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe or the California Consumer Privacy Act in the United States try to regulate data use and requiring consent. Technical solutions like encryption, anonymization, and data minimization are also used to protect privacy. New methods such as federated learning allow AI to train on data stored locally without sharing raw data. Differential privacy adds noise to data, making it harder to identify individuals. Looking ahead, AI surveillance is expected to become more advanced and widespread. There will be a bigger need for clear rules and protections to keep personal data safe. Public discussions and involvement will be key to shaping policies that reflected societal values. Some tools may let users control their data or opt out of certain surveillance practices. For example, privacy settings in AI applications could become more user-friendly and transparent. If you use AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or productivity plugins, remember that your inputs might be used to improve these services. Always check privacy policies and settings to understand how your data is handled. For businesses and creators, designing systems with privacy in mind is essential. Following best practices and legal requirements helps protect user data and builds trust. In the end, AI surveillance offers benefits like improved security and efficiency, but it also poses real risks to personal privacy. The future of privacy will depend on how society manages these competing interests through technology, laws, and public input. Knowing how AI surveillance works and its potential impact helps you make smarter choices about the tools you use and the world you want to live in.